Hello students. Welcome to Teach You Smart. Let's continue our journey through the chapter, Mensuration. Today, we're going to find the area of a general quadrilateral. Now, as we all know that, the area of a square is a square. The area of a rectangle is L multiplied by B. The area of a parallelogram is B multiplied by H. And the area of a trapezium is half H multiplied by A plus B. The square, rectangle, parallelogram, and trapezium are some quadrilaterals. But in the case of a general quadrilateral, how can we find its area? Let's take a general quadrilateral, ABCD. It can be divided into two triangles by drawing diagonal, AC or BD. Now we can see that the area of a quadrilateral is the sum of the areas of these two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle ADC. If the length of the diagonal AC is D units, the perpendicular from the vertices is B and D to AC are H1 and H2 units, then the area of quadrilateral ABCD equals area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. That is, half multiplied by AC multiplied by BM plus half multiplied by AC multiplied by DL, which is equal to half multiplied by D multiplied by H1 plus half multiplied by D multiplied by H2 equal to half D multiplied by H1 plus H2. That is, the area of a quadrilateral equals half D multiplied by H1 plus H2, where D is one of its diagonals, and H1 and H2 are the perpendiculars to the diagonal from the vertices opposite to the diagonal. Let's see an example. Find the area of the given quadrilateral. In the quadrilateral ABCD, given that AC equals 6 centimeters, that is, D equals 6 centimeters, and the perpendiculars H1 is equal to 3 centimeters, and H2 is equal to 5 centimeters. Therefore, the area of ABCD equals half D multiplied by H1 plus H2, which is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 3 plus 5 equals 1 by 2 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 8 equals 24 square centimeters. Therefore, the area of the quadrilateral ABCD equals 24 square centimeters. So any quadrilateral can be divided into two triangles, and we can find its area by using the formula half D multiplied by H1 plus H2, where D is one of its diagonals, and H1 and H2 are perpendiculars to the diagonal from the vertices opposite to the diagonal. Before winding up, let's do an activity to find out how much you understood from the topic. Find the area of the quadrilateral PQRS. That's all for now. See you in the next class.